To enroll in a master's degree, you should visit the academic portal and register using the student number and the course code that was sent in the admission email. If you are already a student of the University of Algarve, you should access using your student number and password as usual. If you had forgot your password, you should recover it. After the login, confirm if your profile is in the right course and click on Enroll Curricular Units. Then click on Prepare Enrollment and confirm it. After, accept the terms and conditions and proceed. In this page, you should confirm your personal data. All the items with a red asterisk are mandatory. Now your enrollment is prepared. Please click on Enrollment Service and then on Continue Registration. Accept the terms and continue. Choose the option Must complete the enrollment form, personal data. In this page, you have to fill in the fields with your data. There are 3 tabs that you should complete. After, click on Save Personal Data. Now, click on Paying Debts. Here you have to choose the items that you want to pay. Remember that the payments of the school insurance and the first installment are mandatory to complete the registration. Click on Items to Pay. Choose the payment method and click on Next and then on Confirm. If you choose PayPal, a new tab will open the PayPal website to proceed with the payment. After the payment, go back to the academic portal, click on Enroll Curricular Units and continue registration. Then confirm the data and continue. In this page, you must select only the curricular units of your school year. If your degree has optional curricular units, you must press on the item available on the left and choose the course that you want to attend. Select the curricular units in all the enrollment period available for your degree and click on Next. Then confirm your enrollment. Now your enrollment is complete. You should print or save the proof of enrollment clicking on the blue button on the right.